Anticiper les risques de pollution des eaux et des coquillages est un enjeu essentiel de santé publique des deux côtés de la Manche. Dans le cadre du projet européen Riskmanche, des chercheurs de l'université de Brighton ont développé des méthodes de modélisation et de prévision de ces risques.
Behind me is the catchment of the Sussex Ouse, one of the major rivers in the south of England. And we at the University of Brighton have been analysing this river for a number of years. We've been monitoring the water quality and trying to distinguish where fecal pollution in the river is coming from. Now, as part of the Riskmanche project, we're working on a work package that's trying to do something more clever than that. We're trying to not only monitor the river quality, but to predict, find out what might happen to the river under different weather conditions during climate change and different seasons.
It's necessary to study risk prediction as it allows us to understand the nature of contaminants and how those contaminants can change over time. What might happen under future climatic conditions, under future changes in land use within our river catchments. And this is important. It allows us to predict and to better mitigate against the issues in the future.
Prévoir le futur de la qualité des eaux requiert l'agrégation d'un nombre très important de données. Les chercheurs anglais analysent les coquillages, mais aussi les relevés hydrologiques et météorologiques des zones étudiées.
Risk prediction involves the collection of a large set of data, both primary and secondary data. Some of it measured data to allow us to determine microbial and physical changes in the catchment, but also a huge amount of data concerning the characteristics of that catchment, such as climate, hydrology, soil, land use. We then combine those together and we are able to model the catchment in order to be able to predict how different environmental changes and different land use changes might affect the levels of water pollution in the catchment.
Les travaux de prédiction des risques ne sont actuellement menés qu'en Angleterre, mais ils restent dans une dynamique de collaboration et d'échange transmanche.
La prédiction des risques, c'est une chose qui peut être importante en fait, avec l'utilisation des modèles bassin versant. C'est une approche qu'on avait développée précédemment à Ifremer et qui a été transférée à nos collègues anglais. Donc on est vraiment intéressé à voir ce qu'ils ont obtenu comme résultat.
The expertise originally came from France. And we at the University of Brighton sent some of our early career researchers over to France to learn these techniques. Now we've brought it back to England. We're developing a model that we can use on our catchment. And the nice thing is that it's now in a position where we can transfer the extra knowledge back to France, where it can be used by the Agence de l'eau and other stakeholders.
Il est possible que dans le futur, on soit amené à revenir sur ces méthodes-là et à les utiliser pour améliorer notre compréhension de certains bassins versants en France.
En Angleterre, le bilan est en effet très encourageant. Le modèle de prédiction développé par l'équipe de l'Université de Brighton permet une compréhension très avancée des risques. Les applications concrètes qui en découlent bénéficieront demain à l'ensemble de l'espace côtier de la Manche.
The results of the risk prediction work package were very positive. The model that we've used, the soil and water assessment tool, has been very useful for modelling flow and microbial contaminants in the watershed.
The results of the risk prediction work are really encouraging and really exciting because they're allowing us to take a much more proactive approach to the management and the protection of human health. This is helping us to better protect and understand the risks to recreational water users and also to shellfish harvesters.
The good thing about the Riskmanche project is it's not just scientists talking to scientists. So the net benefit is that we're transferring the very best knowledge from both sides of the channel for the benefit of everybody in the region.
Si aujourd'hui la modélisation des risques est plus avancée, le défi est désormais de savoir comment communiquer sur ces résultats.